let me tell you, when you pull up to this, it's like time stands still. I mean, it's just like the movie. Look at this. It's awesome. And check this out. Almost fell. Look at this. If you're a fan, you know what this is. This is the coolest thing ever, and I really appreciate Paige doing this for me for my birthday. Thank you so much. See, this is the outside the cabins. Very nice. Staying in that one right there. There's the bathroom. This is cool. This is extremely badass. Well worth it. Well worth it. So over here we are. Check this out. You come across this. It's very nice on the inside. So this is awesome. So we're down here at the gas station from the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the one that was filmed in 1973 and released in 1974. And we're having, this is absolutely delicious, brisket. I mean, the stuff is melting like as you eat it. So this is delicious. This greatest birthday present ever. Thank you, Paige. This is awesome. So this is the restroom and shower cabin. Check this out. This is awesome. Look at that. So cool. Check out the hammer. Very cool.